Did you know that a simple kids coloring book like this one can make over $10,000 a month on Amazon KDP? Sounds unbelievable, right? But in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to create your own kids coloring book and sell it on Amazon, step by step. We are talking everything from generating images and designing pages to publishing and marketing your book. By the end of this video, you will be amazed at how simple, fun, and profitable this can be. We are going to break it down into two parts. The first part is all about designing the coloring book, and the second part is about getting it live on Amazon KDP. Welcome to Ask AI. So, let's dive right in. Alright, step 1, designing your coloring book. To make sure we are creating a book that will sell, we need to follow 4 simple steps. Let's start with the very first one, finding a theme for your book. Step 1, find a profitable theme. You might already have a few ideas for a coloring book, but to really succeed on Amazon, it's important to pick a theme that's currently popular. To do that, go to Amazon and search for kids coloring book. You'll see all kinds of books out there, but how do you know which theme is the best? Look at 2 things. 1. Sales, the number of books sold. 2. Reviews, the total number of reviews the book has. If you see a book with high sales and a ton of reviews, that's a good indicator that this theme is popular. To make this process easier, there's a Chrome extension called Seller App that provides detailed information right on the Amazon page, including estimated daily orders and daily revenue. Just head to the Chrome store, search for Seller App, and add it to your browser. Then, when you visit Amazon, you'll see all the useful stats displayed directly on the page. Now you can see all these details. From here, you can pick the best-selling theme for your coloring book. For today, I am going to go with an animal theme since it's really popular. Step 2, generate the images for the coloring book. Once you have your theme, the next step is to generate vibrant and eye-catching images. This is key to standing out from other coloring books. And you don't even need to be an artist to do this. We will use an AI tool to generate high-quality images for our coloring book. But first, we need a prompt. There is a great tool that gives you perfect prompts for generating your images. The link is in the description below. This tool will help you create the exact images you need for your book. Here, you will enter the type of images you want, the age group of kids you're targeting, and how many images you need. For this book, I'll choose animal theme, set the age group, and ask for 12 images. Once you click Create Content, you will get the prompts needed for your images. Now, let's head to the AI image generator. Paste the prompt you created into the generator, adjust the settings, and click Generate. The AI will produce images, including a vibrant colored version and a black and white outline perfect for kids to color. Review the results for quality and suitability, ensuring the designs are engaging and kid-friendly before adding them to your project or coloring book. As you can see, we have our black and white outlines ready to go, and these vibrant images are going to make our coloring book stand out. Download each image, and you'll be ready for the next step. Step 3, create an eye-catching cover. Next up, we need an eye-catching cover that will grab potential buyers' attention. To create a book cover, go back to the same AI tool we used before, search for book cover image, and follow a similar process to create a prompt for your cover. Enter the title, a brief description, and the author's name, then click Create Content. The tool will generate several prompts, and you can choose the one that suits your book best. After pasting the prompt into the AI image generator, you will have a stunning cover design ready to go. Download it, and now you have everything you need for your coloring book, the interior pages and the cover. Step 4, design the pages. Now, let's combine everything into a finished coloring book. For this, we will use Canva, a free and easy tool for designing book pages. Set your Canva page size to 8.5 by 11 inches, the standard for Amazon coloring books. Upload your images and arrange them creatively. Add borders, patterns, or text as needed to enhance each page. Use high-resolution images for clarity and ensure designs are suitable for printing and coloring. For each page, I add a colored version of the animal in the corner and the outline in the center. This allows kids to use the colored version as a reference while coloring the outline. You will want at least 24 pages, but no more than 80. After publishing your book, market it effectively to reach your audience. Simply listing on Amazon won't suffice, you need visibility. Use social media, email campaigns, and targeted ads to promote it. Collaborate with influencers, join relevant groups, and engage with your audience to build interest and drive sales. Now that your book is ready, it's time to get it published on Amazon KDP. Don't worry, it's super simple. Here's how to do it in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Create a KDP account. First, head over to Amazon KDP, link in the description. Sign up for an account, and you will be taken to the KDP dashboard. Step 2. Add your book details. Click Create Paperback. Enter your book details, like title, description, author name, and keywords. You will also choose the age group, category, and type of book. Make sure to select nonfiction for a coloring book. Don't forget to add keywords. These help your book show up when people search for coloring books on Amazon. Step 3. Upload your book files. Next, upload your interior PDF and book cover. Select the paper and ink options, and choose whether you want a matte or glossy finish for the cover. Once everything looks good, hit Save and Continue. Amazon will assign an ISBN for your book, which is required for all published books. Then, set the price for your book. You will see a breakdown of how much Amazon takes and how much profit you will make. For example, if you set the price at $15, Amazon takes 40% as their share, and you will make a profit of around $4.80 per book sold. After publishing your book, focus on marketing to your target audience. Listing it on Amazon alone won't ensure success. Promote through social media, email newsletters, and online ads. Leverage influencers, participate in relevant communities, and engage directly with potential readers to boost visibility and increase sales. One way to do this is through Amazon ads. You can create targeted ads to show your book to people who are interested in similar products. These ads will help drive more traffic and sales to your book, increasing your visibility and, ultimately, your profit. And that's it. You have now learned how to create, design, and publish a kids' coloring book on Amazon KDP. With the right tools, some creativity, and a little patience, you can build a profitable passive income stream. I hope this video inspired you to start your own coloring book journey. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.